So I am going to highlight about the case what we did in Manipal hospitals. It's the first time it is done in Goa. It's, mind you, this higher end procedure don't come under GDSSY because they are very costly procedures. Don't be under the impression that the insurance. These are basically very high end procedures, high risk surgical procedures which cannot be covered under a routine government scheme. He was a 77-year-old male with significant cardiac history. He had undergone a bypass surgery in 2001, multiple angioplasties in 2004, 2011, 2021. The family was counseled for transcatheter H2H repair. The TEER procedure was successfully performed on the 6th of September, this month only, at Manipal hospitals. First such procedure in Goa and also in the entire Konkan region. The patient's heart, what was most important that till now, before the availability of my clip, the only option was to open a heart, put a clip across the leaking wall and then send the patient home. But this requires a very morbid surgery, high risk, just a keyhole.
I thank from bottom of my heart Dr. Nikhil and all his doctors who helped me for my surgery on the 8th of this month. I feel like 20 years younger now. Yeah. I couldn't lift my granddaughter from down, Now I lift her from down. I go for walk every morning 1 hour and evening 1 hour. So I feel much better, and I think God bless you and keep you going with this, okay?